Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from ExtremeTerrain, and today I'm here with the FullShade top for hardtops, fitting your 2018 and up 4-door JL. It's going to be for those of you that like to run around with the top down or off and are looking for a sunshade that's going to maintain that traditional OEM style. This shade provides plenty of coverage for you and your passengers, making it perfect whether you're just cruising the street or you're hitting those trails. Now this top is made for hardtop, so it has a cutout in the center. This is going to allow you to put your hardtop back on and even access those latches for the Freedom panels. This shade is very easy to install and uninstall, and you can fold it up and store it anywhere in the Jeep when you're not using it. This shade attaches with bungees so that you don't need a header and there's no drilling or modification required. Now this one has polyurethane zipper pockets up front that's going to allow you to keep all of your precious items safe and dry. This is made from PVC woven polyester and has a UV coating, so it's going to last you a long time and it's not going to fade in the sun. Now, as far as price goes, this is a reasonably priced item on the website at just around $160. I think this is a great option to go with. As far as installation goes, I'm going to give this a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, as you can get this thing installed in about 15 minutes. Now with that being said, let's hop into the install. So the first thing you want to do is take your top off, because it's going to make it a lot easier to get this installed. After that, we're going to unravel this thing, figure out which way it goes, and then we'll get it installed on the Jeep. So you're going to have these zipper pockets up front. This is going to go at the front, so we're just going to lay this up and over top. This thing's pretty easy to install. It just attaches with bungees. We're going to start here up at the front. You already have these ones that are pre-installed. So we're going to wrap it around the roll bar and connect it to itself. We're going to try to get into this little trim piece here, and that way it's going to keep it from sliding backwards. So we got the front done. The next thing we're going to do is go around and get all 4 corners done. Now there's not really any instructions, and you are going to get 2 random bungees that have a ball end. So we're going to use these 2 for the rear. So you're going to go through this eyelet and down around the roll bar. Now we can go around and put the rest of the bungees on. What we're going to do is just poke them through, and we're going to loop them back through themselves. Then you want to go around your roll bar and then back onto it. Hook it onto itself. So that's going to wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.